Most people who print with an all-in-one device print and then they laminate and then they go back to the printer, which now acts as a cutter. We at HP don't think this workflow makes sense. It doesn't make sense for a lot of reasons. The first of which is, with Generation 3 inks, the scratch resistance is excellent. So on these Gen 3 latex inks, most things that I'm printing, especially indoor decals, and then certainly short-term outdoor, I'm not going to laminate at all. So I'm going to print, and then I'm going to cut, and I'm done. And the cutter will do a beautiful perf line around it, and it punches them all out, and I put them all in a box, capture them, and ship them out. If I do need to laminate, like something on the floor, long-term outdoor, vehicle wraps, I'm going to print. I do not have a wait time, go right to a laminator, laminate, and then go to the cutter. Now the cutter is doing its cutting, and I'm on to the next job with the printer. The printer does not become a cutter, it stays a printer. The printer is always a printer. The cutter's the cutter. That type of thinking is what gives a significantly advanced productivity and ease of use and quick turnaround at all points of the workflow. Because the printer prints and then I have no wait, I go straight to a laminator, then from the laminator to the cutter. Latex inks do not require dry time. They're not sticky and tacky after they come off the printer. I can do whatever I want, whether I go right to the cutter or I go to the laminator. Our solution makes sense, and it makes sense because it's so much more productive. In many cases, it's twice as fast because the printer prints, the cutter cuts, and the laminator laminates. Or sometimes I take the laminator out altogether. That's a core advantage of the HP Print and Cut Latex solution. That's why we call it a solution, because it makes sense as a comprehensive printing workflow.